Hey, what's up guys, this is BD from 𝐒𝐚𝐤𝐞. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can fix your iPhone that got stuck in recovery mode or stuck on Apple logo while updating to latest iOS, that is iOS 16. You can fix your iPhone without any data loss with the help of a tool that I will show you guys in few seconds. But before that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now, the name of the tool is iPhixer. It's the best repair tool for iDevices and Apple TV. This software is available for both devices, that is Windows and Mac. You can repair your iOS devices without any data loss, and some more issues are mentioned over here, which can be fixed with the iPhixer tool. Like while installing iOS 16, you have stuck on update requested or your iPhone is not turning on. All these issues can be fixed with the help of iPhixer. Here we have 4 modes as you can see, and each mode has its features. So if your iPhone is facing any of these issues, then try standard mode. If you have forgotten your password or if the standard mode doesn't work, then try this advanced mode. Next is reset iDevices, in which you have standard and hard reset. And at last is for recovery mode. If you want to enter or exit recovery mode, try this mode. Also, they are doing a giveaway of Apple Watch. Just update your iPhone to iOS 16 and share your lock screen with the hashtag on Twitter. 16 winner will be announced on the YouTube channel before 30th September. Lucky draw prices are Apple Watch, $25 Apple gift card and $10 Amazon gift card. So hurry up. Now, if your device is stuck on Apple logo or it has failed to update iOS 16, go to standard mode. Then connect your iPhone to computer. Then tap on next. Now, it will show your device name and the latest iOS firmware. Also, you can choose other version if it shows over here. Then tap on download. Once your firmware is downloaded, your device will enter into recovery mode. And if it doesn't, then try DFU mode by following these steps. Once your device is into DFU mode, it will automatically extract firmware and repair your device. Once the process is complete, then only disconnect your iPhone. Make sure your device is connected properly in this process. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart and you are good to go. I recommend you to use this tool because it's very easy to use and everything is simple. So that's how you can fix your iPhone that has failed in updating to iOS 16 without any data loss. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys face any issues, let me know in the comment. I will be happy to help. I hope this video was helpful. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.